When the hand step pull up. Good, 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 good. Yeah? Oh, wow. Yeah? You make the neck go short beforehand.
I always miss her.
Shortening of the neck.
I've known Raya a long time. I've not wanted to see her horse.
I know, she's adorable. I love Karat.
In it, you must let the finger feel in it. Good, wow. Good again. That's right, clap. That's not really good. Oh, good. Now shorter, 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 shorter. And now you let carefully go. Now you let go. Good, good, good. And trot out, trot out. Trot. No, diagonal medium trot now. Now you'll see how she trots. Give her a little kick. Oh, it's good. And now, half on, diagonal, let go. Feel it? Come, let go. Yeah, you're hanging on. Oh, good. Come on, trot. Let her go. Not hanging on. Oh, yeah, careful. Good. Good. Careful. Yeah, that was good. Yeah. One more time. The diagonal. Sit relaxed and deep. Oh, good. Hands in front. Yeah. Yeah. And now the walk. Good dog. Now, not come from a seat structure. When you have the rein too short and you lean because of that, like those, then she can't trot. You have to sit on the seat bone. Then you can let go. But you are getting, that's all